a complete view of your e-commerce performance. Discover Prestashop Metrics, your new module for intuitive and reliable data control, designed by Prestashop. If you have just created your Prestashop store, Prestashop Metrics is pre-installed and can be accessed directly from your dashboard. If you already have a Prestashop store, install Prestashop Metrics from the Module Catalog tab or the Prestashop Add-ons Marketplace. Once installed, you can configure Prestashop Metrics from your Module Manager tab or from the side menu by selecting Stats and then Prestashop Metrics. Here we go. Click on Start to launch the configuration. To activate Prestashop Metrics, you must link your Prestashop account to your external data sources. Let's start with your Prestashop account. This is your unique entry key for all Prestashop Essentials modules, including Prestashop Facebook, Prestashop Metrics, Prestashop Checkout, and many others to come. If you are a new user, you can create your Prestashop account in just a few steps, and then allow the connection to your account so that you can benefit from Prestashop Metrics. If you already have a Prestashop account, simply log in using your email address and password, then allow access to your account. Now, let's move on to connecting your Google Analytics account. We're almost done. On the Google registration interface, choose the Google Analytics account you wish to use to log into your store. Once signed in, Prestashop Metrics will automatically detect the presence of a Google Analytics tag in your store. If you have not yet installed a tag, our Google Analytics module will allow you to do so in just a few clicks. Download the module by clicking on the link in the information window. And we're all finished. Prestashop Metrics is now configured and up and running. Go to your dedicated interface to get a complete view of your store's performance. Now, let's take a look at the features of Prestashop Metrics. Let's start with your Overview tab. Check the 8 main KPIs of your online store, for instance revenue, conversion rate, bounce rate, or average basket value with a simple glance. Hover your cursor over the information icons for a definition of the indicators and how they are calculated. 2 graphs complete your overview and help you understand the trends in your business. Track the evolution of your online business daily, weekly, or monthly according to your needs. Use the default analysis periods or choose custom dates with the date picker. You have 90 days of data history. Finally, in the tips insert, get advice from our experts in best practices that will help you optimize your business. Need to go further in the analysis of your e-commerce key metrics? Try Prestashop Metrics Advanced. With Prestashop Metrics Advanced, your data is updated in real time. You can now access the Today view and track how your business is evolving every hour. Unlock up to 14 months of data history to compare your business activity over longer periods of time. Gain access to 3 additional tabs. Get more details about your business performance, acquisition, and customer behavior. In the Business tab, you will find all the key metrics details related to the financial performance of your e-commerce, such as the most ordered products in your catalog or your main sales channels. The Acquisition tab contains all the key metrics related to traffic acquisition on your e-commerce. Identify your main sources of traffic, your unique visitors, and the sessions over a period of time. Using the Customer Knowledge tab, access all the details about customer behavior and prospects. Keep track of your site's bounce rate, average order value, and time spent on page. On each of these last 3 tabs, the highlights will help you make the right decisions and take relevant action. To subscribe to Prestashop Metrics Advanced, click the Upgrade Plan button on your Prestashop Metrics interface or go to the Configuration section of your Module Manager tab and click Choose Plan. Browse the terms and conditions of the Prestashop account and tick the box to accept. Click Next to continue. Complete the form with your billing information, then click Next to continue. Fill in your banking details, then click Next to go to the last step. Check the information is correct, then click Subscribe to finalize your purchase. Congratulations! Your upgrade is complete. Synchronize your data now for a complete overview of your key metrics right on your dashboard. Choose the right plan for you and take control of your store's performance. Prestashop Metrics, a module from the Prestashop Essentials Suite, the suite of modules bringing together the essential features of a successful online business.